Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters. Install the updated data booster and verify your API key and two-factor authentication. Once done, connect to the data endpoint at 10, 0, 0, 5 and authenticate. This avoids mid-flow interruptions. Make a quick snapshot of the existing dataset, export a CSV or create a restore point because you will be making transformative changes. Then open the Data Booster UI, choose the new profile, and load the snapshot so you can proceed safely and reproducibly. You now configure the processing pipeline, define ingestion rules for file patterns, delimiters, and timestamp formats so parsing is deterministic. Then map schema fields, set typecasts and sensible defaults, and add validation thresholds to catch anomalies early. After that, tune batch sizing to 1,000 rows or 0.5 MB and set concurrency to 4 for balanced throughput. This prevents timeouts. Finally, save the pipeline profile and run a dry run. The dry run shows row count. You execute the pipeline and watch progress. Monitor error rates, retry counters, and runtime graphs so you can intervene quickly. Once processing completes, validate outputs against your snapshot by checking row counts, key sums, and several spot checks to confirm integrity. If results look good, promote the dataset to production. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Roll back to the snapshot, review validation logs to find the failing rule, then fix the mapping or threshold and rerun. That's the fastest recovery path.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.